Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Beyond 50 by Corinne. Today I will be walking you through my nightly skincare routine step by step. So if you're interested to see what I do for my mature and dry skin, stick around. This routine is about deep hydration, anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, and targeting dark spots and fine lines. Basically, everything my skin craves at night. So the first step to my nightly skincare routine is to double cleanse. I start with the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm, and this is with Super Greens Blend. This balm is my absolute go-to for melting away makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil. It's rich in sunflower and ginger root oils, plus it contains papaya enzymes that gently exfoliate. This balm leaves my skin soft, silky, and ready for step 2. For my second cleanse, I've been using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing Gel. This is a foaming cleanser and it's ideal for nighttime. This contains a blend of 15 amino acids that help support the skin's natural barrier. It gives me that squeaky clean but still hydrated feeling, which is very rare in a foaming cleanser. I use this to prep my skin for all the active ingredients that follow. Now that I am finished with my double cleanse, I crawl into bed, get comfy, and start applying my nightly skincare products. I start off with the Clarins Multi-Intensive Super Restorative Smoothing Treatment Essence. This essence is like a tall glass of water for my skin. It's formulated with organic Harringana extract, which helps smooth and firm the skin. I love how it preps my skin to absorb serums more effectively and gives me that instant glow. It's lightweight but powerful, and I never skip it. This is absolutely perfect for mature and dry skin. Step 3 is my prescription Tretinoin Retin A. This is the cornerstone to my skincare routine. Tretinoin is a dermatologist-prescribed retinoid that increases cell turnover, smooths fine lines, and fades dark spots. It's potent, so I buffer it with hydrating layers, but the long term is so worth it. My skin looks brighter, smoother, and more even-toned thanks to this step. Step 4 is my Clinique Even Better Clinical Radical Dark Spot Corrector and Interrupter. This serum is a powerhouse for fading hyperpigmentation and evening out my skin tone. It combines vitamin C, salicylic acid, and glucosamine to brighten and gently exfoliate. I have noticed a significant difference on my dark spots, especially the scar that I got from a blemish years ago. It is fading. This also layers beautifully under serums and it does not feel sticky. Step 5 is my Elizabeth Arden Ceramide capsules. This is the Advanced Extreme Time Complex. These single-dose capsules are packed with ceramides, which are essential for a strong skin barrier. They help lock in moisture, improve elasticity, and smooth out texture. I love the silky texture. It feels luxurious and seals in all the active ingredients underneath. Plus, the capsules keep the formula fresh and potent. Step 6, my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. This is my hero. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to deeply hydrate and support overnight skin repair. It plumps my skin, smooths fine lines, and gives me that well-rested glow by morning. I have repurchased this twice now, and I will continue to repurchase this until probably the day that I die. Step 7, Estee Lauder Multi-Effect Night Moisturizer. This rich cream is the perfect nightcap for my skin. It contains tripeptide complex to support collagen production and improve firmness. It locks in all previous layers and leaves my skin feeling bouncy and nourished. I love how this cocoons my skin in moisture without feeling greasy. Step 8 is my Strivectin Tighten and Lift Advanced Night Cream Plus. I never skip my neck and chest because these areas show signs of aging quickly. This cream uses alpha-3 peptides and patented NIA 114 to firm, tighten, and smooth delicate skin. It's rich, but it absorbs quickly, and I've noticed a real difference in skin texture and tone. This is a must-have in my routine. Now, step 9 is my eye cream. However, my camera glitched, and so I am completely blurred out when applying this. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Gel Cream. This eye cream is a multitasker. It targets puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. It's packed with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and caffeine to hydrate and depuff. This gel cream texture is cooling and soothing. Step 10 is my Clinique Lip Mask. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Lip Hydro Plump Treatment. It contains shea butter, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and plump. I apply a thick layer before bed and wake up with soft, smooth lips. No flakes, no dryness. This is like a lip mask and balm in one. Step 10 is my Eucerin Calming Cream. This is the Eucerin Calming Daily Moisturizing Ultra Smoothing Body Cream. This is formulated with colloidal oatmeal and rich emollients to calm dry and itchy skin. I love how it absorbs quickly but leaves my skin feeling nourished and protected. It's fragrance-free, so it's perfect for sensitive skin or layering with other products. Okay, so that is my complete nightly skincare routine. Completing my night care routine in bed is like a ritual instead of a chore. It's my favorite way to wind down before bed. Let me know in the comments below what your must-have nightly skincare product is. I would love to hear what works best for you. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. If you found this video informative and helpful, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And so that you don't miss any more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and you will be notified when they are uploaded. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye, beauties.